Ever thought of adding a twist to your regular recipes with green tea? It's more than just a revitalizing beverage. Green tea is a versatile ingredient that can add an unexpected yet delightful flavor to many dishes, from sweet to savory. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants and other health benefits, making it a great choice for those looking to add a nutritional boost to their meals. Today, we're going to explore the culinary potential of green tea, showing you how to incorporate this ingredient into a variety of recipes. We'll start with a refreshing green tea smoothie, perfect for a morning pick-me-up or a post-workout snack. Then, we'll delve into the world of desserts, showing you how to create a sweet treat infused with the subtle aroma and flavor of green tea. Finally, we'll demonstrate how green tea can enhance a savory dish, adding a unique and complex layer of flavor. Get ready to awaken your taste buds with these green tea-infused recipes. Start your day with a refreshing and healthy green tea smoothie. This smoothie is a concoction of simple, wholesome ingredients that come together to create a beverage that's both delicious and brimming with goodness. First, begin by brewing a cup of strong green tea. Allow it to cool completely before proceeding. This gives your smoothie that distinctive earthy green tea flavor. Next, in a blender, add a ripe banana for natural sweetness and a creamy texture. Follow this with a handful of fresh spinach for a nutrient boost and a spoonful of honey for a touch of additional sweetness. Then pour in your cooled green tea. For an added health kick, toss in a teaspoon of chia seeds. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour this vibrant green smoothie into your favorite glass. Sip on it first thing in the morning for an energizing start to your day. With this green tea smoothie, you have a delicious and healthy start to your day. Sweeten your day with a delightful green tea-infused dessert. Today, we'll be making an exquisite matcha ice cream that's packed with the subtle yet distinct flavor of green tea. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. We'll be using 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of high-quality matcha green tea powder. Don't skimp on the matcha, folks. It's the star of the show here. Now let's begin. In a medium saucepan, mix the cream, milk, and sugar together. Warm this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar is fully dissolved. Once that's ready, it's time to introduce the matcha. Sift in the green tea powder to avoid any lumps. Then whisk the mixture until the matcha is fully incorporated and the mixture is a beautiful, vibrant green. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. After it's cooled, cover it and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Once it's chilled, churn it in an ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. When it's done churning, you'll have a creamy, dreamy green tea-infused ice cream that's just waiting to be enjoyed. A green tea-infused dessert is the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth while enjoying the unique flavors of green tea. Add a twist to your dinner with a savory dish featuring green tea. Let's dive into a recipe that marries the robust flavors of a classic stir-fry with the subtle, earthy notes of green tea. Imagine fresh vegetables and tender pieces of chicken all stir-fried to perfection and then infused with green tea. First, you'll need to brew a strong cup of green tea. While that's brewing, stir-fry your chosen vegetables and protein in a wok. Once your stir-fry is almost ready, pour in the brewed green tea and let everything simmer together. The green tea not only enhances the flavors of the stir-fry, but it also infuses the dish with a unique depth and complexity. Moreover, it's not just about taste. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, making this dish not only delicious but also a healthier choice. With this savory green tea dish, dinner will never be the same again. Green tea isn't just for sipping anymore. We've journeyed through the world of culinary creativity, adding a twist of green tea to our smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes. Each recipe brought out a unique facet of this versatile ingredient, enhancing flavors and adding a healthful touch. So why not let your kitchen be your canvas? Experiment with green tea. Let it infuse your dishes with its unique taste and health benefits. With green tea in your pantry, the culinary possibilities are endless.